Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain in detail the tools found in the program panel. Let's begin! Let's start! If you click the plus button at the bottom right of the program panel, the button editor is displayed like this. You can place the button you want to see on the program panel by dragging it from the button editor and dropping it in the blue frame below. Next, I'll pick up from several button editors and explain. You can delete endpoints by clicking the Delete In button. You can clear out points by clicking the Clear Out button. Click the Play Video from In to Out button to play the video in and out. Click the Move to Next Marker button. You can move the playhead to the next marker position. Click the button to move to the previous marker. You can move the playhead to the position of the previous marker. Click Play Around. The video before and after the position of the playhead is played. By clicking the Loop Play button and then the Play button, you can loop and play the video in the area surrounded by ins and outs. With the video you want to insert selected in the Project panel, click the Insert button. You can insert the selected video in the area surrounded by in and out. At this time, if the source is longer than the destination, such a window will be displayed. Select Change Clip Speed according to range and click the OK button to adjust the speed according to the selected range and insert the clip. Select Ignore Source Endpoint and click the OK button to insert the clip by ignoring the source endpoint. Select Ignore Source Out Point and click the OK button to insert the clip by ignoring the source out point. Select Ignore Sequence Endpoint and click the OK button to insert the clip by ignoring the sequence endpoint. Select Ignore Sequence Out Point and click the OK button to insert the clip by ignoring the sequence out point. Similarly, the Overwrite button and selected Ignore Sequence Out Points to overwrite the clips in this way, ignoring the sequence out points. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.